Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're always on the lookout for ways to save on flights, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share one of my favorite travel hacks that could save you a ton on your next trip midweek travel. Believe me, this simple trick can make a huge difference in your travel budget. Let me share a quick story with you. Last year, I was planning a trip to New York City. I was super excited to finally visit the Big Apple. But when I checked the prices for a Friday departure and Sunday return, I was shocked over $600 for a round trip. That was way more than I wanted to spend. But then I remembered hearing about the benefits of flying midweek. So I decided to see what would happen if I moved my departure to a Tuesday and my return to the following Wednesday. And guess what? The price dropped to just $350. Same airline, same destination, but a huge difference in cost just by flying midweek. So, why are midweek flights so much cheaper? It's all about supply and demand. Most people prefer to fly on weekends, leaving on a Friday and returning on a Sunday or Monday. Airlines know this, so they charge more for those popular days. But on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, fewer people are flying, which means demand is lower and prices drop. It's a simple economic principle that you can use to your advantage. And the savings aren't the only benefit of midweek travel. Flying midweek often means less crowded airports, shorter lines at security, and a more relaxed travel experience overall. You're more likely to find empty seats next to you, and you might even get an upgrade. Plus, when you arrive at your destination, there are usually fewer tourists, giving you more space to explore and enjoy. So, how do you find these midweek deals? Start by using flight comparison tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak. These platforms let you see prices across multiple airlines and help you compare different days of the week. Be sure to set up price alerts, so you'll be notified when prices drop. And here's a pro tip: try searching for flights in incognito mode or clear your browser cookies to avoid those sneaky price hikes that sometimes happen when you're browsing. To wrap it up, midweek travel is one of the easiest ways to save big on flights. It's a simple change that can lead to massive savings and a more relaxed travel experience. Next time you're planning a trip, take a few minutes to check those midweek flight options. You might be surprised at how much you can save. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel hacks, and share your own midweek travel experiences in the comments below. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.